hoping God, I'll hope that we receive the latest update.
Have we not reached the age where we can say enough is enough? I mean, when you know you've had too much to drink, you should definitely not be on the road. This is nuts. This guy, I mean, I can't even see how he did it. I can't even see how he did it. But he did it, I'll tell you that. He did it. And then the best part about it is he's out of there. He didn't even wait. He just said, I'm out of here. Yeah, there's no way there's anybody catching me in this thing. I'll be back for it when I'm sober. Oh, man. You guys stay safe out here. People like this, you gotta watch out for them.
Get his face, get his face.
I am. Do you want me to call?
Wait.
It's not at this light, but it's the next. It's a left turn. But I think you can turn left here. It's going to Kaiser.
No, that's right.
It's right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Is he behind us? He is behind us still.
This is Car Tracks with Turtle Wax. Your car says a lot about you. So if we asked your car what it would say about you, what would it say? Listen, you dropped one of those tiny...
City is age 5.
They do the exact same thing.
One day I'm going to be a manager here. All right, it's a Rose's kiss.
That's exactly what I'm going to do. Now, also, I'm glad you're here for this, BB Shay. This has to do with 4th of July. So you're not going to a cookout or anything?
No,
like
nothing.
We just stay in
Unless something comes up last second.
But you're the hot dog guy.
Yeah, I know. I eat them so often throughout the year. I just kind of take this day off.
Yeah.
Watch other people.
Yeah.
Sorry,
BB Shay,
you've
told us before that on a lot of times when big holidays roll around, and I consider this a big holiday.
Oh, yeah.
Your family leaves town and leaves you behind.
Yeah, so my dad left town on Father's Day.
Smart.
Weirdly enough. Yeah.
And wasn't your mom gone for Thanksgiving?
She was gone for Thanksgiving
That's
and
right.
Mother's Day.
And Mother's Day.
And this year, I don't know. They haven't told me anything. They're just leaving me out of the loop.
Yeah. So that you don't do any of that. You like a barbecue though?
I like a barbecue.
What about fireworks?
I don't stay up that late.